This video is going to show you how to use the quick trim function. It's a useful tool when drawing quickly and want to trim edges of lines or shapes. So on screen we've got a rectangle. I'm going to draw a random line through the rectangle. So I'm going to slide my finger across till I get the tap icon. I'm going to click tap, slide my finger across. I'm ignoring dimensions right now. I'm going to click tap again, then I'll click escape to finish. And I've got a line that goes through the rectangle. Now what I want to do is trim off the edges of this line so it's cut right at the edge of the rectangle. So I'm going to click quick trim. I can now swipe through the overhanging part of this line. So I'm going to click at the top, swipe through, you can see the dotted line, and it's trimmed it perfectly to the edge of the rectangle. I'm going to do that again, trim down, and I can trim that line away. You can trim other lines. I'm going to trim the side line away and that line away. And we can now create quite random shapes or shapes quite quickly without having to use snaps or coordinates. Just created that shape. Another useful use of this tool, is when you want to trim shapes to join shapes together. Make more sense if I draw it. So I'm going to draw a rectangle, tap, slide, tap. So I'm going to do draw again, rectangle, slide, tap, slide, and tap. What I want to do now is make this into a cross. So I need to trim away the internal lines. So I'm going to click trim. I'm going to swipe through the internal lines. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 swipes there. And I've now got this cross shape. Useful for drawing floor plans and things where you want to draw shapes and cut aspects out. There is other options in the trim tool, but it's best just to use it as a simple tool for now until you understand a bit more about AutoCAD.